Have you ever picked up a product labeled green or natural only to wonder if it's the real deal? You're not alone. In this animation, we'll break down greenwashing, the sneaky ways companies fake being eco-friendly. Hi, my name is Alex. I've been working in sustainability for almost 20 years. Stick with me until the end and you will spot these tricks from a mile away. No more getting fooled. Okay, let's get drawing. Coined by environmentalist Jay Westerveld in 1986 after spotting hotels urging towel reuse to quote-unquote save the planet while ignoring bigger waste, greenwashing is deceptive marketing that makes companies seem more sustainable than they are. It's all about appealing to eco-conscious folks like you, dodging criticisms, or both at the same time, without real changes. Watch for combos of words and images that scream sustainable without substance. Think logos painted green, or labels with natural, balanced, or healthy next to leaves and streams. It's the simplest trick, but it works, making junk seem eco-chic. For instance, innocent drinks ran TV ads with adorable cartoon animals singing about recycling and fixing the planet, despite using single-use plastic bottles and being owned by Coca-Cola, one of the world's largest plastic polluters. Beware claims that can't be verified with no third-party certification. Words like green or natural imply eco-credentials, but where's the proof? Take Oatly. Their ads boasted a better carbon footprint than dairy and cited climate experts for vegan perks, but skipped the data or consensus evidence. Spot vague statements that sound impressive but mean nothing. Cosmetics love this, hyping fancy molecules from super labs as sustainable magic. L'Oreal claimed their Elvive shampoo packaging was more sustainable. More than what? It's deliberately fuzzy and unsubstantiated. Look out for true but trivial attributes hyped as big wins, often legally required. Like aerosols bragging CFC-free decades after the ban. Chevron's People Do campaign in the 1980s showed wildlife protection efforts that were real but minor, and sometimes mandated, in comparison with their pollution, spills, and law breaches. Be wary when a product is pitched as better in a bad category, ignoring overall harm. McDonald's swapped plastic straws for paper ones, greener, but they were not recyclable. Coca-Cola Life advertised less sugar from natural sources like stevia, positioning it as eco-friendlier than regular Coke, yet it's still sugary soda. Call out flat-out untruth. Fiji claimed their bottled water beat Cleveland's tap water. Total lie. Volkswagen 2015 scandal? They rigged software to cheat emission tests, selling clean diesel cars that spewed up to 40 times the legal pollutants. Watch for labels implying endorsement without merit. Plastic codes mimic recycling arrows, but only 5 to 7% of all plastics get recycled in North America. Keurig said their pods were recyclable, but needed unavailable special processing, causing contamination instead. This being said, be careful to not call greenwashing anything a company does aiming at being more sustainable in the future. If they don't advertise it, it's okay, give them the benefit of the doubt. It will take time for companies to be truly sustainable. Now you're armed to spot greenwashing. If you like this video, check out this other one on corporate social responsibility, real heroes versus fakes. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me about your worst greenwashing spotting in the comments below. Thank you for watching.